Welcome back to Grow Your Own Vegetables, where a community of trusted teaching partners helps you grow real food in any space, in every season. Have you ever stood in front of a tiny garden bed, maybe 3 feet by 6 feet, and felt like you can only grow a few things? Most of us have. We look at that small space and assume we have to choose. The truth is, that small bed can feed you for months if you pick the right plants. What you're about to watch is a live talk given at one of our past Grow Your Own Vegetables events, recorded for gardeners just like you. Today's teacher is Stacey Murphy. Stacey is a master gardener who has been growing food in tight urban spaces for over a decade, and she's taught thousands of gardeners across 6 continents. Today, Stacey is sharing 5 specific greens she would plant in a tiny 3 by 6 foot bed, and the exact variety she recommends. Pour yourself some tea. Let's spend a few minutes together. For more information, free resources, and gentle guidance, you can find us at growyourownvegetables.org. And to grow alongside other gardeners just like you, join our free community at gyov.org. Settle in. You're going to enjoy this.
I've got a 3 foot by 6 foot plot with at least 6 hours of sun on the March equinox. That's awesome. That means it's going to get even more sun throughout the rest of the summer. That means that you probably got a good amount of sun in the winter months too. She says, I eat a lot of greens. I sheet mulched and built the soil. I want to grow some greens. I love chard and bok choy. Ideas as to what is the best use of the limited space. So for now, I just want to go through some of the different greens that you might choose. And on the next call, what I might do is show a diagram with some different or I might even post it on Facebook after this too, showing kind of organization of these things. So the good news in Richmond, California is that you're blessed with great conditions and you can grow lots of greens and you can grow them year round. Your temperatures are probably not even going down to freezing for most nights in the winter. So you can really grow year round, which is really cool. It's not spiking up too high in temperature during the summer. And in the winter, you're going to have the benefit of having at least a little bit of moisture and rain. So in terms of greens that you can grow, you've got your big leafy greens like your kale, your collards, your chard, celery, bok choy, mustards, and Japanese cabbage. These are all things where you can take outer leaves and the plants are just going to keep growing. The bok choy at some point will give up. It'll be like, I've had enough. I'm going to stop producing now. But the other ones here are really just going to keep producing a lot of food over time. So I would recommend planting them. And shiso is actually kind of an herb, and it would grow really well as well. Perennial, you could put in some sorrel, and it's kind of a lemony green, and it's just going to grow year round for you. And if you make green smoothies, this could replace lemon in your green smoothie, which is really cool. It'll give you a nice tart lemonade-y kind of flavor. Lots of salad mixes, of course, and these will last several weeks so that you'll cut them and they'll come back. And then you can get creative with like pea shoots and just grow them like a salad mix. Just put down a lot of pea, especially in the winter time, put down a lot of pea seeds. I wouldn't do this in the winter. It's probably going to get too hot, or in the summer, it's probably going to get too hot for you. But in the winter, put down lots of peas and just grow pea shoots like a bed of lettuce. And some of the things that are really amazing that you might want to look at beyond that, the red giant mustard here is something that I really, really enjoy in the garden. It's similar in, it kind of looks similar to the Japanese greens, the mustard greens. It's got a nice mustardy flavor and it just keeps growing and growing and growing. Mizuna has a nice mustardy flavor as well, in these stir-fry mixes too. So these are all different types of greens that are similar to bok choy, but a little bit different that you might want to consider. And that sorrel that I talked about, that finding a perennial sorrel that's lemony, arugulas and greens mixes that are like salad mixes are going to be great for you. Tatsoy is another Japanese green that's delicious. And green wave is another mustard that's nice and spicy and you can grow a ton of mustard. So those are the types I would think about.
If you'd like more guidance on growing fresh, flavorful greens, even in small spaces, Stacey has put together a simple guide for you. You can download it for free at growyourownvegetables.org/growyourgreens. The link is in the description below. And if you'd like to keep learning alongside other gardeners just like you, we have a wonderful free community waiting for you. You can join us at gyov.org. Thank you for spending this hour with us. We'll see you next week.